Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are going to learn basic lettering in paper quilling. We will need printouts of letters. Here I have used Arial font. I am cutting the outline of one letter. I am applying glue on the front side of the letter. And I'll paste it on a sheet. I'll repeat the steps for the second letter. Here I'm going to show you two ways of lettering. The first is we'll take a strip and we'll keep it next to the letter and we'll fold on the joints of the letter. After all the folds are done, we will cut the strip and we'll apply some glue on the strip and place it vertically on the outline of the letter. For the second way of lettering, we are going to keep the strip next to the letter and cut pieces of the outline from one joint of the letter to another. After we are ready with all the cut pieces, we are going to apply glue and vertically stick all the pieces next to each other on the outline of the letter. Now for curved letters, we are going to place the letter onto the sheet. Here I am taking a paper quilling strip and I am roughly taking the measurement of the outer part of the letter. I have kept some extra space and I have cut the strip. Now I am using the paper quilling pen and giving it a curve. Now I am applying some glue. You can even use your fingertips to evenly spread the glue. After which I am slowly sticking this strip on the outline. I'll repeat this step for the inner curve of the letter. As I've kept some extra space on both the curves, I've given it a fold to complete the letter. Now I've taken another colored strip and I'm giving it irregular wave scrolls. This is to fill the letters. You can even use small bits of the leftover strips and fill the letters. Make sure you apply glue inside the letters to have a good grip of the scrolls. Now I've again taken another strip and I'm making irregular wave scrolls. I'm installing the strip inside the curved letter. You can even use the paper quilling pen for spacing out the scroll. Here I'm using small pieces of another colored strip and quilling a coil and placing it in between the gap of the curved letter and the wave scrolls. You can fill the letter however you like. These are some basic ways for lettering. Thank you for watching.